save me to freedom, from the walled city of sweat and whips, to the wide, wide countryside, way out where us over, to pass from death to life. 40 years of desert wanderings, races to cross river rapids to ford. The journey is long, the journeyer's line is thinning, men, women and children dropping by the wayside. The journey is long, a life march or a death march, to touch ultimate powers or fall to ultimate loss. Exodus, Passover, the journey of man to learn the taste of God, the taste of God through the march of experience. Exodus, Passover. University, the living school on the run. To drop out is to die, to go on is to taste the bread of life. Exodus, Passover. What a journey, what a march, what a school. What a taste of God, what a bread, take it and live. The bread of life. Exodus, Passover. Then the land of promise, the city on the hill, the city of free men, the city of those who know the taste of the living God. The long journey is over for those who experience the taste of the God of the living. What a journey, what a march, what a school. What a taste of God, what a bread, take it and live. The bread of life. Exodus, Passover. Then the land of promise, the city on the hill, the city of free men, the city of those who know the taste of the living God. The long journey is over for those who experience the taste of the God of the living. For those who know the way life is, the way life is, the way what life is all about. Exodus, Passover. Exodus, Passover.